Hey guys, this is the new Nintendo Switch Lite Animal Crossing edition, and like I was thinking to get the blue one, but I got pink instead. And the Switch comes with a free download for Animal Crossing New Horizons. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. No, we're gonna be opening it now. Okay. And also my sister is going to be unboxing, and she's pretty much going to be talking for the rest of the time she's unboxing. And yeah,
so as we can see, it's like a coral pink color, really nice. Animal Crossing edition with some little leaves on the back that are really nice. Has like a light pink. Taking off the cover, brand new, shiny screen,
coral color,
and the back is matte, so it's not like shiny, it's just, yeah. Here's the other pieces from the inside of the box with the charger and the manual. And it has the free download. There's a little leaf icon, the Animal Crossing leaf. There's the back of it again. Animal Crossing edition. Really nice color. I really like it. And this is how the box looks.
and guys, thank you again for clicking on this video. And if you want to find the Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing Edition Switch Lite, just know it's at Target, and the blue one is at Walmart. And again, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, thank you.